Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video I will show you guys the apps that will help you a lot in order to make your Austria Award scholarship essay easier. So I will put the link on the down description below. So here how to use the app. So actually I made this app for you who want to pursue your Austria Award scholarship. So first of all, of course, you have to select your country. I am from Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia, by the way. And then you have to select the program, the degree you want to apply. For instance, the master or PhD. And then here I need you to upload your CV. Okay, because I need to probe your profile. I mean, this app, which is use AI, need to probe or need to understand point of view of yours, which is it will be represent handsomely using your CV. So I will suggest you upload your CV, but if you don't want to, you can change I mean, you can tell the AI about yourself here whatever you want, like for instance, I am a teacher looking for new degree in order to improve my career, for instance. Okay, and then after that you can click start application, and then here you have 5 essay, which is the second, the third and fourth is pay. You must pay to unlock it. So you just try the first essay. Okay, you try the first one and then click yeah, start building my essay. And then right after you click that the button I show you, the AI will ask you more deeply about yourself. See, what is your primary teaching subject or area of expertise? For instance, I am like, let's say, the mathematics, for instance. And then what is your highest completed academic qualification? Blah 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 blah. You should answer all the questions. After that, after you answer all the questions, it means the AI will get full context of yours, which is will be easier for AI make the essay that more representative to to yourself. But here using this app doesn't mean you will get the full essay. On this stage you will only get the outline. The outline is more than enough for you to tailor your own essays, because the Australia Award Scholarship already give a statement that they don't accept essay that full written by AI. Okay, so this app only make you think better. I mean, only think of you to create your essay. So that's it, this video. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the down description below. Thank you. Bye bye.